Good morning. It's a little bit later. I fell into the trap of the dark hotel room. Same spot as yesterday, but we're gonna see if we can fly the drone and see Pikes Peak. This morning, it is sunny, clear skies, but windy as all get out. So I don't know if this is gonna fly or not, but we're gonna see. Because if we can get it, it's sick. We're trying to get that. So the drone kept telling me crazy high winds, large gusts, like fly caution, and the thing was all over the place. So I got that last shot, but that's all we could do without nearly crashing it. This is what I was trying to get. Pretty sick. So that's Pikes Peak. So we're officially back from the day. No wind, crazy sky. We're gonna fly the drone. It's looking pretty crazy now. I normally wouldn't fly this at night, but it's too good not to even try. So, let's go. Success, I'd say yes. Completely approve. The drone pilot level is going through the roof, trust me. Way more pro at this. It's 11:27. It's time to go to bed. Well, so as you guys have known, that I've taken a small little pause from riding for a little bit. Recovery, so to say, after nationals. It is good to take a break. Relax the mind and chill for a bit and sort of just decompress post-season. You like the hotel room backdrop? It's quite classy. But now, after talking about mountain bikes for 2 days now, can't wait to get home and ride some mountain bikes. 2 days is plenty for me to get back on the horse, start charging again. I want to put a little bit more emphasis on the mountain bike stuff this year, so I'm really ready to get back, start riding, start going fast, uphill, downhill, on the flats, and have a downright jolly good time for another evening here at the fantabulous Town Place Suites, and we will get back with you guys tomorrow. Over and out. Peace.